Captains are out in the middle for the toss, and here we go. Heads is the call, and heads it is. Congrats on winning the toss. What is your decision? Yeah, here are the playing 11 for the teams. Both team looks good and equally stronger on the paper. Fielding team is coming into the middle. This is a very good fielding side. They know that catches win matches. Out come the opening batsmen. They're gonna take the new ball. Team will be expecting them to give a very good start to the game. Bowling team brought the spin bowler into the tank. Batsman ready for the next delivery. That's in the air. No one out there. Just couple of pitches inside rope, and it's 4. He hit the ball on the up, and it's one bounce for 4.